almost like a tennis elbow sort of counterforce brace. You can do rigid, or you can do some 25 mil elastic wrap.
Just trying to break your rib, sorry.
So basically what we're trying to do here is create another point of where the force can go through, rather than the force is going through the origin of the tendon up the top there. Just basically bring it down into the tape.
I think it is a mechanical sort of deformation with this one, isn't it? We're sort of changing the angle of pull, maybe. So if force going that way hurts, we're sort of deflecting that angle.
So basically just using the tape as a little rope to bring that pressure into the middle of the tendon rather than at its attachment. So you've got to go fairly tight through here. It's probably one that you need the player to do a jump or a squat or a hop, work out their level of pain out of 10, tape it, get them to do it again, and it should make a bit of difference. But a good one to sort of just take a little bit of pressure off that tendon, just straight through the middle of that, and then you can overwrap that.
For these things, for these ones and your tennis elbow,